Hey guys, welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to bypass Windows 11 requirements during formats. So guys, if you go ahead and download the usual standard Windows 11 installer, let me just go ahead and type that in, Windows 11 download. So if you use this official installation assistant, right, it will force you to just burn Windows on your thumb drive, and you won't be able to disable that protection. So instead, do not use this and go ahead and type in Rufus in your Google search. Go into the website. This is safe, guys. Don't worry, no viruses or nothing like that. I've used this myself. And guys, when you download the app, you just need to go ahead and choose your device, right? So it's going to be the field where you choose your thumb drive. Then make sure to press the select button and navigate to where you have this latest Windows 11 ICO downloaded, right? So you can do this by the official tool I showed before. Then just format your hard drive, thumb drive, that's always recommended, and then press on start. Before you begin, you will get, let me show you, this contextual window. Sorry, not this one, this one. So in here, the crucial setting you have to tick is this very first one. As you can see, remove requirement for 4 gigs of RAM, secure boot, and TPM 2.0. So these are the requirements for Windows 11 that did not exist for Windows 10 before. The rest, you can remove requirements for Microsoft account if you wish, and disable data collection. So these 3 are always recommended. Press OK. And after that, when you burn this ICO of yours, right, the image with Windows, on your thumb drive, when you install it, you will not have these requirements anymore. You won't be bothered by anything. It's just going to be straight from start to finish through the installation of your operating system. That is it. As always, enjoy. If this was helpful, subscribe.